In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Google Docs, whether you're looking to free up space or tidy up your digital workspace. This guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure your documents are removed completely from Google Drive. First, let's start by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Here is where all of your Google Docs are stored, and we'll need to access this to manage or delete any documents. Open your browser and type in Google Drive to get to the main page. Once you're at the home page, you'll want to locate the document or documents you wish to delete. Take your time to carefully select the right files, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove an important one. Once you've identified the document to delete, the next step is to open the document itself. By clicking on it, you'll gain access to the document's detailed view. This is important because you need to open the document to take the necessary actions towards deletion. After you've opened the document, look toward the upper right corner and you'll notice a menu option labeled File. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various actions you can perform. Now, from the File drop-down menu, look for the option that says Move to Trash. Clicking this will send your document to the trash, which is a kind of temporary holding area within Google Drive. But to permanently remove it, there are additional steps. Once you've moved the document to trash, navigate back to the Google Docs home screen where we'll prepare to delete it forever. From the Google Docs home screen, you'll see the Drive option on the left-hand side panel. Click on this to head back to your main Google Drive screen. Here, you'll find the Trash option, usually displayed on the left sidebar. Click on Trash, and you'll see all files currently marked for deletion. Find the document that you previously moved to trash and select it. You'll see a delete button appear near the top of the screen. Click on that button, but remember, this action will still not remove the document completely. Instead, look for another option labeled Delete Forever. This is the final step. By clicking Delete Forever, you ensure that the document is permanently erased from your Google Drive and cannot be recovered. You might want to preview your trash folder afterward to confirm that the document is no longer visible and your deletion was successful. And that's it! You've now successfully deleted a Google Doc permanently. This ensures that your digital workspace remains organized and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped make the process simple and clear for you.